We're back with the rest of our lesson, or the rest of our YouTube video for our lesson on digital citizenship and internet safety. Here's our next scenario. More on passwords and sharing accounts. Imagine you are having trouble doing an activity on a safe site you use at school. Your friend offers to help, but needs your password. Would you give your password to her? Yes? No? Definitely. I really want that star. I'm not sure. Imagine you're having trouble doing an activity. Maybe it's accelerated reader. Would you, give over your password to your buddy for her help? No. Well done. You should keep your password a secret. Next up, violent video. You have just seen a video online that was very violent, and it has upset you. What would you choose to do about it? Close the page and pretend you haven't seen it? Tell someone you trust, like a teacher or your parent? Forward it to a friend. They might like it. Minimize the screen and then tell a parent or a teacher. And the best answer is minimize the screen and then tell a parent or a teacher. Well done. By telling mom, dad, or your teacher, you could help stop others from seeing it in the future. Always good to minimize it too. We don't need to see any more of it. Ringtones. Let's talk about ringtones. Imagine you're on the computer when suddenly an advertisement for free ringtones pops up. Cool. All you have to do is enter your parents', and there should be an apostrophe there, credit card number. It says it's free. What would you do? It's a great ringtone. It's also free. Click on it. Or ignore it. Ringtones are never really free. Click on it. You need a new ringtone. Or all your friends have crazy ringtones, so it will be okay for you to get this one. And the best answer is ignore it. Ringtones are never really free, even if they say they are. Or so this quiz indicates. The best thing to do is to ignore advertisements like this one. Ringtones are never really free, even if they say they are. So saith this quiz. Next, let's talk about safe sites. Some websites are not safe. Have a look at the two websites below. You need to work out whether these sites are safe to join or not. Tables 1, 2, and 3 take the War Games site, while tables 4 and 5 take the addressbook.com. War Games says, join now for only $20. Wargames.net for 18 plus only. Addressbook.com says, addressbook. Log in, sign up, must be 13 and over to join. And remember, a website is a place on the internet where people and companies can share information, and the internet is a huge group of computers from all over the world that are connected. How about it? Wargames.net. Is there an age to join? Is there a fee to join? What is the subject matter and content? $20. Age 18 and up. War? Not age appropriate. And not free. War Games is only for people over 18. years of age, so you cannot join it. It might sound okay, but it is really violent. It also has a fee to join. Next up, address book. Is there an age to join? What is the average age of most of its members? Address book has an age limit that is higher than yours, so you are not allowed to join. All you elementary school students out there, you could meet some older people who might even try to take advantage of you. To take advantage means when someone uses you for their own benefit without caring about how you feel, often hurting you in the process. Discussion topics. What are some examples of private information that are not safe to share online? Why should these not be shared? What kinds of safe information could you share about yourself online without showing your exact private identity? What would you do if anyone online asked to meet you face to face? What adults do you feel safe talking to about scary and uncomfortable situations? What is one good way to act responsibly, respectfully, and/or safely online? This great visual, I am a digital citizen, comes from lessonsbysandy.com. I will use my eyes, heart, feet, head, voice, and hands. I will use my eyes. I will visit approved websites that promote learning and are for educational purposes. I will not look at inappropriate websites. I will use my heart. I will be respectful when I am online and use kind words. I will think and make sure what I do online is T, true, H, helpful, I, inspiring, N, necessary, K, kind. I will use my feet. I will stand up and say no to cyberbullying. I will remember that my digital footprint should not harm others. I will use my head. I will make good choices when I am online. I will protect my private info and the information of others. I will log out and not share my login or password with others. I will use my voice. I will tell an adult if someone is being hurtful or unkind online. I will use my hands. I will only use the assigned Wi-Fi network when I'm at school. I will keep my device safe and secure at all times. I will follow copyright laws and will remember to cite the sources I use for all my projects. Stop and use eyes, heart, feet, head, voice, and hands to be a good digital citizen. Speaking of citing sources, here are image source citations for this PowerPoint presentation that is now a YouTube video. Thanks to thinglink.com, elementarylibrarian.com, esafety.gov.au, the book Hello Ruby, Journey Inside a Computer by Linda Lucas, and lessonsbysandy.com. The end. Thanks and more thanks.